In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Webex history. When first launch Webex on your device. You can do this by locating the Webex icon on your desktop or within your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to open the application. As it loads, you will see the familiar Webex interface. This is important because accessing the application is the first step to retrieving your history. Once you see the main screen, you know you're ready to proceed. You may notice that Webex is straightforward, making it user-friendly for everyone. Next, log in if prompted. This may involve entering your username and password. Ensure you enter the correct information to gain access to your account. If you have previously logged in, you might automatically be taken to the main screen. Logging in is crucial because it verifies your identity and secures your information. Remember, keeping your login details safe is important for your account's security. Once logged in, you'll be able to see all your features and previous interactions. Now, click on Messaging. You will find this option on the left panel of the application. When you click on it, the screen will display your active direct messages and group spaces. This action is significant because it helps you access your conversations quickly and efficiently. You will see various chat threads, making it easy to locate the conversations you want to review. Once you select Messaging, you'll be one step closer to accessing your chat history. From there, scroll through your active direct messages or group spaces in the left panel to read older conversations. As you scroll, you will see various threads listed by date, allowing you to find older discussions. This step matters because it provides access to past chats, which can be essential for recalling important information or decisions. Take your time to look through the messages. You can spot the ones you wish to revisit without any hassle. After that, click the search bar at the very top of the app header. Here you can type a keyword, phrase, or name related to the conversation you want to find. Once you've typed in your search term, click the Messages filter to pull up matching historical chats. This feature is powerful because it saves you time by pinpointing specific information quickly. After you hit enter, the search results will display relevant conversations, making your search more efficient. Next up, click on the Calls icon, which looks like a phone receiver, in the left-hand navigation pane. This icon takes you to your call history, showing all of your call activities. This step is essential because it allows you to keep track of your communication history through calls. After you click it, you will find a detailed view of all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. At this point, your screen will display a chronological list of all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. You will see the date and time of each call, allowing you to review your communication timeline effectively. This information can be beneficial if you need to follow up on missed calls or check who you have spoken with recently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this list. With that ready, select the Meetings tab from the left navigation panel. Clicking this tab gives you access to all your scheduled and past meetings. This step is important because it organizes your meeting history in one convenient place. Once you click on the Meetings tab, you will have a clear overview of your past engagements. Then, click on the Meeting Recap section. This section provides summaries of your past meetings, including key points and actions discussed. This is a significant feature because it helps you quickly recall important details without sifting through lengthy notes. After clicking, you will see a detailed recap of each meeting showcasing what was covered. Finally, review your timeline of past meetings. Here you can reflect on previous discussions and decisions made during those meetings. This is valuable for staying informed and prepared for future conversations. You can easily identify action items and follow-ups, ensuring you stay on track with your projects. This review process makes sure you are always prepared for your next steps.